I'm Alex, Upworth's co-founder and CEO. It is no secret that Australia is in love with real estate. And it should thus come as no surprise that we at Upworth invested a great deal in bringing to you the best tools to track and analyze your real estate portfolio. Let's dive in. We are here on Upworth's main dashboard. Let's go into track. Let's scroll down and select real estate. We land on our real estate portfolio tracker. As you can see, we first provide you with an overview of your portfolio. On the right side, we let you pinpoint any registered property on a sleek world map. This is one of my favorite features. It reminds me a lot of Risk, the popular board game for the geeks out there. On the left side, what mattered tremendously to us at Upworth was to go beyond the hype of capital gains. Capital gains are of interest, but they too often capture investors' mind over more insightful metrics, such as net gains or equity gains, which are more comprehensive and true indicators of value creation. As a consequence, the net gains take center stage here in our presentation. I won't go into the details of the computations and the methodology. Basically, we have eye signs throughout the product that will walk you through all the details and the possible limitations. We also show to you your total portfolio value and the value increase since purchase. We still like capital gains, they are here. We show you the equity gains, and we make available the gross and net rental income and associated yield metrics. I'd like now to turn my attention to a slightly unusual visualization, which is borrowed from private equity and that we believe can provide tremendous value to property investors. On this graph, you can see your total property portfolio value split into its two components, debt in blue on the one hand and equity in orange on the other hand. We let you track it at the portfolio level or for any single property for the past year or your entire tracking history. The goal of this graph is to provide you with an understanding of your equity buildup through time and your available equity pool at any point in time. It is extremely valuable to possibly make your next property investment. We, at Upworth, as licensed mortgage brokers, can let you access and help you understand the process to tap into this equity. I'd like now to turn my attention to the rental income, the P&L part. This visualization shows to you your P&L based on your cash flow entries. It is again available for your entire consolidated portfolio view or at the individual property level. You can look at the past year or your entire tracking history in Upworth. You can expand this history, and you can look at it on a monthly basis or on a fiscal year basis. This latter view is very helpful for reporting or tax filings, for instance. Finally, I'd like to turn my attention to the individual property level. In here, for every registered property, we show to you the metrics we just discussed, and you can expand the view to access two tabs, a revenue tab and a financing tab. The revenue tab gives you the gross net rental yield, as well as the average gross monthly rent in a net view as well. And the financing tab lets you see all your financing metrics. In here, as you can see, a liability has been linked. We tell you immediately the LVR, the outstanding debt, and your leverage. And you can access all the details of that liability by going to the mortgage module. It's important to know that you can edit all your property details at any point in time. We do keep track of the value of your property automatically when it's available, but you can always decide to overwrite it and change it. You can also edit all your cash flows. Finally, it is extremely easy to add any property to your tracker. Just click on the plus account button and go into the real estate module where you can type in any address. That's it for our introduction to our portfolio tracker. I hope you found it exciting and that you'll start tracking and building your empire on Upworth. Thanks for your attention.